Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SENS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, not to state the obvious, but just to try to establish some context here, very, very impressive movement on the day today when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price gapped down, got all the way there, and then managed to close all the way up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a very impressive movement. So, but now it brings about the question of, yeah, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $2.60. Why is $2.60 important? And I'm not saying that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. Sorry about that. I don't know if the mic was picking up my son playing with a Mega. I don't know what he was doing, but so if you did hear some background noise, that was just my son. I don't know what he's doing. But anyways, so if the price were to go back to where it was, then, that's just not a sign of any sort of power, right? Price movements that have true signs of power are going to at least make signs and show signs of progress, which again is where 260 comes into play, because if the price were to go down here, because no price can just go straight up, but if the price comes down here and then curls around right there, what would you have? What would the difference be? Well, you'd have a set of those there. You'd have those lows right there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, now all of a sudden you'd have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress. And in this situation, progress being defined at $2.60. As far as levels of resistance, keep a close eye on that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at, we'll just call it $2.95. But overall, any way you look at it, great movement today, great volume. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this bounce moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.